Hello, my name is 翔詒from BIRDLAND Industries. We are a Taiwanese company that has been producing, designing, and exporting from China and Taiwan for more than 45 years. We are a team with designing, logistics, and selling. We are proud that we have been providing numerous of choices for our customers, including watering tools or cutting tools. So we have three very competitive advantages from us. First of all, we're really good at selling what market needs, and we already have them, and we're good at sourcing them and produce them for what customer want. Secondly, we are good at designing our own products. As you can see over here, we have specially designed products just for the market. For example, this is for farming products with TPR handles, very good, and with stainless steel. It's in a very good price that you can use it as medium quality, but you can sell it with very high price. And we have been selling them for tens of thousands on every market that we know. And this is all designed by our team. We finish everything within 3 months, and the customers are very happy of it. The third advantage we have is sourcing what customers want and design the products or adjust the products to what they achieve. We have achieved roughly $4 or $5 million of quantity in Europe alone, and to help the customer happy and to promote their products. Thank you for your time, and we're really happy to have you here with us. And if you have any quotation or any needs, don't hesitate to contact us through our website. Our specialties and our team will be ready for you all time. We are very proud that our lead time and our response time is very famous in our industries. So please feel free to contact us. Bye-bye.